Earlier today, the lies that have largely propped up Donald Trump's rather brutal mass deportation campaign were revealed. They were laid bare in public. As his DHS secretary, Kristi Noem, was confronted with the impact of mass deportation, not on the worst of the worst that they claim they are targeting, but on the people, the best of the best, the people we are, by and large, as Americans, proud to call our fellow Americans. In a congressional hearing today, Kristi Noem was asked about DHS under her watch deporting the very people who have given the most to our country's veterans. Watch this.
How many United States military veterans have you deported?
Sir, we have not deported U.S. citizens or military veterans.
I don't believe you served in the military. I haven't either, but I think you and I can agree that as Americans, we owe everything to those who have served our country in uniform, particularly those who have served in combat. Do you agree with that?
Sir, I believe that people that are in this United States that are citizens have legal status here.
Madam Secretary, we are joined on Zoom by a gentleman named Se-Jun Park. He is a United States Army combat veteran who was shot twice while serving our country in Panama. He is a combat veteran, a Purple Heart recipient. He has sacrificed more for this country than most people ever have. Earlier this year, you deported him to Korea, a country he hasn't lived in since he was 7 years old. Will you join me in thanking Mr. Park for his service to our country?
Sir, I'm grateful for every single person that has served our country and follows our laws.
Can you please tell Mr. Park why you deported him?
Every one of them needs to be enforced.
The people who have fought and sacrificed for this country are enduring under Donald Trump. This is Alejandro Barranco.
You've already heard the story of Lance Corporal Alejandro Barranco, the United States Marine veteran who is behind you, who also has two brothers who are United States Marines. Will you thank Lance Corporal Barranco for his service?
Thank you for your service.
His father, Narcisco Barranco, is a landscaper in California who has lived peacefully in our country for 30 years and has no criminal record. Will you consider Lance Corporal Barranco's father for parole in place to stay in our country, owing to the fact that he has contributed to our country by raising 3 United States Marines?
This is an opportunity to remind everybody that every person that's in this country illegally has an opportunity to voluntarily go home and come back the right way.
Again, another, FU and the 3 Marines he rode in on. Unbelievable. First of all, unbelievable that she was confronted with the monstrosity of what they're doing, but that she would not say that someone whose 3 sons have given their life in service of the United States of America it's the person who, when you think who would shoot a puppy, I mean, Kristi Noem wrote in her own book that she shot her puppy. That's who she is.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about an important video from the United States. In this video, Nicole Valance react to Kristi Noem. Nicole Valance is a TV host. She talk about politics. Kristi Noem is a political leader in the USA. She talk about rules and laws. In this video, Kristi Noem was asked about deporting veterans. Veterans are people who served in the army. They fight for their country. Deporting means sending someone back to another country. Nicole Valance was surprised. She said this is unavailable. She thinks it is wrong to deport veterans. Many people in the USA also think the same. Veterans risk their lives for the country. They should be respected. The video shows the reaction of Nicole Valance. She talk about fairness. She say veterans should be safe in the country. Deporting them is unfair. Kristi Noem gave her answer too. She said the law is important. She believes rules must be followed. But Nicole Valence says the law should be fair. Veterinary are special. They helped the country. They should not be sent away. Nicole Valence give example of veterinarians. They risked their lives. They faced hard situations. Deporting them is not right. It shows not respect for their service. The video also talk about public opinion. People in the USA watch news. They care about veterinarians. If veterinarians are sent away, people may be angry. Nicole Valence explained this clearly. She also talked about respect for the military in the USA. Veterinary are honored. They are special day like Veterans Day and Memorial Day. They celebrate their bravery of soldiers. Deporting veterinary goes against their respect. Nicole Valance say politicians must be careful of words of leaders like Christina after affects many people. They should think about fairness and respect. She used simple words in the video. She said law is important but fairness is more important. Veterinary should be protected. Deporting them is unfair. The media is important too. News channels show these topics to the public. Nicole Valance use her TV shows to teach people. She wants people to understand why deporting veterinarians is wrong. People on social media also talk about this. Many agree with Nicole Valance. They say veterinarians are a horse. Some criticize Christinom's peoples discuss rules and fairness. Nicole Valance also talk about morality, morality. Veterinary give their time and energy. They risked their life. Deporting them is not just unfair, it is also morally wrong. Many people think morality is important in politicians. She explained the consequence to if veterinarians are deported. It may scare others. Immigrants in the military may feel unsafe even after serving. They may not feel protected. Nicole Valance explained their problems. The video talk about leadership. Leaders like Christina make big decisions. Nicole Valance say veterinarians must be trusted with respect. Good leaders care for people who serve the country. At the end, Nicole Valance say clearly veterinary should be honored, protected, and respected. Deporting them is unfair. The issue need careful discussions. People must think about fairness and humanity. In conclusion, this video is very important. It talk about fairness for veterinaries. Nicole's Valance reacts strongly. She shows that many Americans care about veterinaries. She also shows why respect many fairness are more important than just follow rules. Veterinarians are ours. They risked their lives for the country. Nicole Valance reminds everyone that their work should be respected. This video teach us about fairness, morality, and respected in politics. Thank you for watching my video.